Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we will start exercise 10A from chapter 10 measurement. Rules we have already done last week. So let's start exercise 10A. Come to the first question. So before first question, write down, all of you, write down the table on your notebook. King means kilometer. Henry means hectometer. Diet means decameter. Mother, didn't, decimeter. Cry, centimeter. And here much, millimeter. All of you write down this table on your notebook quickly. Then we will start first question. Now the first question is, John bought 27.5 meter of cloth. What is given? So cloth bought by John is equal to, according to question, 27.5 meter. Meter is given to you. So look here, this thing is very important. 27.5 meter. Meter is given in the question. Now, how much of cloth did he buy in centimeter? The question is to convert this meter to centimeter. So cloth, you will write here, cloth bought by John in centimeter is equal to 27.5. Now I am going to convert this meter to centimeter. Look here, you are here because meter is given in the question. Listen to me, all of you, very carefully. Meter is given in the question. It means you are here. And the question is to convert this to centimeter. So, 1, 2, 2 jumps. So to reach centimeter, we need 2 jumps towards right hand side. It means 2 jumps means multiplication by 100, and here in place of meter you will write centimeter. I am repeating, as I have already explained, this whole chapter is based on the concept of movement. Movement towards right hand side or movement towards left hand side. Right hand side movement means multiplication. Left hand side movement means division. So here, to convert meter to centimeter, we take 2 jumps towards right hand side. So like this. Now, recall the concept of decimal from the class 4th. You have already done. Now, when you remove, this is decimal. This is decimal. One more time. This is decimal. When you remove this decimal like this. So, you will write here 275 upon. Now, when you remove this decimal, after the decimal on the right hand side, decimal is here now. So, hide this decimal. After the decimal, one digit, one single digit. So, you will write 10 here. So, decimal removed. Multiplied by 100 centimeter. Now, 0 0 cut. So in the result, you will write 2750 centimeter. So this is the result in centimeter. Arshita, the result is 2750, not 27500. Very good, Mehak. Very good. So all of you note down. Well done. Good response from all of you. Advika, you are unmute. Agrim, unmute yourself from your side. Agrim. Agrim, roll number 2 from the class 5th D. Unmute yourself from your side. Yes, Agrim.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. On your video, Agrim.
Good morning, ma'am.
On your video. On your video and start reading second question. Agrim, start second question.
Reena walked 2 kilometers in morning and 3,000 meters in the evening. What is the total distance covered by Reena in kilometers?
So Reena walked in the morning. The statement given to you is 2 kilometer. 2 kilometer. Similarly, you will write here Reena walked in the evening. Reena walked in the evening 3,000 meter. But the question is to give your result in kilometer. Now, Agrim, tell me, how can you convert this meter to kilometer? Arshpreet Kaur.
Divide.
Yes, Arshpreet. How can we convert this meter to kilometer as the question is based on to change all the units to kilometer?
Divide.
Very good. Because this is meter. Meter is given. It means you are here. You are here because the meter is given. This question is same as question number 1. But the question number 1 is based on meter and centimeter. But this question is based on meter and kilometer. But the way to solve the question is same. So 3,000 meter means you are here and you want to reach kilometer. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 3 jumps towards left hand side. So 3 jumps toward left hand side means divide. Very good response, Raghav. So here you will write 1, 2, 3 divided by, not multiply. 1, 2, 3, and here now you will write kilometer. So after division, you will not write meter here. So listen to me very, very carefully. When you will divide here now, after division, you will not write meter here. Now you will write kilometer. So this is 0, 0, cut, 0, 0, cut, 0, 0, cut. So this is equal to 3 kilometer. But the question is not finished. Now, distance, total distance. So, total distance covered by Reena. Total distance covered by Reena. Yes, how can we find? How can we find the total distance covered by Reena? Yes, Ashpreet?
3 plus
2 kilometer
and
distance.
2 kilometer, 3 kilometer.
Yes, plus. So 2 kilometer plus 3 kilometer. So here you will write 5 kilometer. So the distance covered by Reena in the morning, distance covered by Reena in the evening. And the question is based on total distance. Total. Total is the indication of addition. So you will add morning walk to the evening walk. So the final result is 2 kilometer plus 3 kilometer is equal to 5 kilometer. Note down. Very good response from all of you. Muskan Sehgal.
Yes, ma'am.
Better read third question. Start.
Convert 40 milligram to
Beta,
gram.
third question. This is the fourth question. I am talking about third question. Third. The third question is Banu bought 4 meters of ribbon and Ranjan bought 2000 centimeter of ribbon. Check. बेटा ये तो नहीं है. Got?
Ma'am.
Yes, start reading.
Banu bought 4 meters of ribbon and Ranjan bought 2000 centimeter of ribbon.
Yes, very good.
Who bought more and by how much?
Yes, wait. So we will write here ribbon bought by Banu is equal to 4 meter. And similarly, ribbon bought by Ranjan is equal to 2000 centimeter. Now tell me, first step. Here, how can you solve this sum?
Ma'am, multiply.
Read the question again. The question is Banu bought 4 meter of ribbon. Ranjan bought 2000 centimeter of ribbon. This is meter. This is centimeter. So can we solve this sum with 2 different units? Tell me. Can you solve this sum with two different units? Here meter and here centimeter. So both the units are different. So can we able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
solve the sum with different units? Very good, Mehak. Yes, convert. Good response from Mehak. Yes, we are not able to solve the sum with two different units. First of all, we will make the units same. Now, 2000 centimeter. Centimeter, it means you are here. And you want to reach meter because we are going to convert this centimeter to meter. 2000
Ma'am,
centimeter. Yes. So
Ma'am,
how many
divide.
jumps? Yes, tell me how many jumps?
Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 2.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3. 2 jumps means 2 zeros. And now tell me beta, here you will write meter. Yes, centimeter now after division.
Ma'am, meter.
Division done now. So after dividing, you will write here centimeter or meter.
Ma'am, meter.
Meter. Because conversion done. When you divide, it means you have completed your conversion. So after completion of the conversion, you will not write centimeter here, you will write meter. Now 0, 0, cut. Again 0, 0, cut. So what is the left? 20 meter. So question is, who bought more ribbon? Tell me who bought more ribbon? Banu bought more ribbon or Ranjan bought more ribbon? So what you will write here? Who bought more ribbon? 20 meter is bigger than 4 meter and 20 meter is for Ranjan. So you will write here Ranjan bought. Yes. Ranjan bought more ribbon. By how much? By how much? It means we can find here difference. So difference is equal to 20 meter minus 4 meter is equal to 16 meter. Write down. Because the question is based on who bought more ribbon and by how much. कितना कितना ज्यादा. So 4 meter and 20 meter. तो रंजन ने कितना ज्यादा रिबन बाय किया? That is 16 meter more as compared to Banu. So write down. Now Sarabjit Singh. Sarabjit, are you hearing me?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. Sarabjit, tell me how can we solve the fourth sum? The fourth sum is based on convert. The question is convert 45 centimeter to decimeter. Tell me. The question is to convert 45 centimeter. Centimeter is given. Centimeter is given. It means you are here. And the question is to convert this to decimeter. Now tell me, how can you convert this to decimeter? "45 centimeter unit is given to you, centimeter. Centimeter is given. It means you are here, centimeter. And the question is to change centimeter to decimeter. Now, how can we change this centimeter to decimeter? Sarah.
Yes, ma'am.
Sarah, tell me, how can you convert this centimeter to decimeter? This is centimeter, this is decimeter. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
With the help of multiplication or with the help of division?
division.
Why? Very good. But why with the help of division?
Ma'am, because movement towards left towards.
Well done. Because the movement towards left hand side and single jump. This is centimeter and this is centimeter single jump. So here you will write 45 divided by 10. Now decimeter. And again 0 in the denominator, this 0. 0 in the denominator means in the numerator after one digit you will put the decimal. So you will write here 5 decimal 4 decimeter. So this is the way to solve the sum. I am repeating. 1 0 in the denominator means in the numerator, start from the right hand side. Start from the right hand side. After one digit, you will put the decimal. Why one digit? Because of this single 0. One more example, if the question is like this. 343 upon 100. 100. 100 means two zeros. Two zeros. So two zeros means starting from the right hand side after two digits. So write here 3, write here 4. After two digit you will put the decimal. So note down. So this is the shortcut way to solve the sum whenever the denominator is 10, 100, 1000 like this. So note down. Similarly, same we have another part. Convert centimeter to meter, centimeter to hectometer, centimeter to kilometer. Remaining parts are exactly same. Now next come to the Samriti Dev. Samriti. Express 17.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sixth question is express 17.5 meter in decimeter. In decimeter. Now tell me. 17.5 meter is given. It means you are where?
Ma'am, we will multiply this.
नहीं, we will multiply this, but you are where? आप कहाँ पे खड़े हो? Initially. Initially you are at which point?
Ma'am, we are on right hand side.
We are on right hand
First
side
point.
means on meter. Meter. You will
Yes.
say, ma'am, we are on meter. Because 17.5 meter is given, it means you are here. Meter. Okay. Now the question is to convert this in decimeter. Now the movement towards which side?
Left hand side.
Decimeter. Decimeter. You are here. And this is decimeter.
Ma'am, towards right hand side.
Yes, this is right hand side. This side is the right hand side. So towards right hand side, this is decimeter. So no need to. So all of you listen to me very carefully. No need to get confused with DAM or DM. This is decameter. DAM decameter. This is DM because I have explained. Both of them will move according to the alphabetical rule. According to alphabetical rule, DA come first and dm second. So this is dm decimeter. This is dam decameter. So both are different terms. Now we will multiply or we will divide when the movement towards the right hand side.
Ma'am, we will multiply.
You will multiply with what? 10, 100,000 what?
Ma'am, we will multiply with.
How many jumps here?
Ma'am, 10.
Yes, 10. So 10. Now you will write here meter or decimeter.
Ma'am, we will write meter.
Why meter? Conversion
Ma'am,
done.
sorry, ma'am, decimeter.
Multiplication by 10 means we have done our conversion. And when we have complete our conversion, then you will not write meter here. You will write decimeter. Now tell me, this is decimal. So check. Hide this.
Ma'am,
175 upon 10 multiplied by 10 decimeter, because always check the right hand side digit. So when we hide the decimal, one digit on the right hand side. So when we remove the decimal, 10 in the denominator. Now this 0 cut. So in the result, you will write 175 decimeter. Good efforts. Very good. Same. Remaining parts are exactly same. Now in the next part you will convert meter to centimeter, meter to millimeter, and then meter to hectometer. All the parts are same, only the conversion different. Number of jumps different, but the way to solve the sum exactly same. After that, come to the question number 7. Seventh question. कृतज्ञ. कृतज्ञ, unmute yourself from your side. Now come to the seventh question. कृतज्ञ, unmute yourself. किरणजोत कौर.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. बेटा you are किरणजोत और कृतज्ञ.
Ma'am, Kiranjot Kaur.
Okay, बेटा start reading seventh question. Seventh question. Yes. Exercise. Yes. Speak.
A ribbon was 23.7 meter long. It was cut into 4 pieces of 3.9 meter, 14.2 meter, 2.9 meter, and 1.8 meter. Find the length of remaining ribbon.
Yes. This is given to you. This is given. Now according to you बेटा आपको क्या लगता है हम ये सम कैसे करेंगे? How can we solve this sum? A ribbon is divided among 4 pieces. 4 pieces. So first of all, you will combine that 4 pieces in the step number 1. In the step number 1, you will combine all the cut pieces. So cut pieces are, it means piece number 1 plus piece number 2 plus piece number 3 plus piece number 4. So right here. So what is the length of the first piece? 3.9 meter. Plus what is the length of the second piece? 14.2 meter. Length of the third piece 2.9 meter plus 1.08 meter. This is given. So in the first step, a ribbon is given to you. A long ribbon is given to you. Initially, you will cut that ribbon into 4 pieces. So first of all, you will combine that 4 pieces. So 3.9, look here, decimal, very, very carefully. 14 decimal 2. Decimal in a single row. So 2 decimal 9. 1.08. All the decimal in a single row. You will not change the position of decimals. So after addition, what you will get? 22.08 meter. This is 22.08 meter. This is the combined result of 4 pieces. Now the question is based on remaining ribbon. Now step number 2, remaining. Length of remaining ribbon is equal to total minus used. Total. What is total? 23.7. Used 22.08. So right here. Again 23 decimal 7. 22 decimal. 22.08. Write 0 here. This 0 borrow from this 7. This 0 will borrow from this 7. So this 0 will change to 10 and 7 will change to 6. So 2, 6, 1. So the result is 1.62 meter. So note down. This is very, very important, beta. In decimal, either in addition or in subtraction, decimal always in a single row. You will not change the position of decimal. Decimal always along single row. In a single row, decimal position. If you will change the position of decimal, your answer will be wrong. So, in this question, first of all, you will combine the 4 pieces that you have cut. After that, remaining means जितना बच गया. ये तो हमने कट करके अलग कर दिया. कितना बच गया? तो टोटल में से जो यूज हो गया उसको माइनस कर दो. नोट डाउन. Kritagya, are you hearing me? Kritagya, you are unmute. So note down. Lavanya, 5th D. Yes. Lavanya, are you hearing me, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Lavanya, tell me how can we solve this sum? The next sum is 9. Convert 1249 meter to hectometer. Tell me, Lavanya, how can we solve this sum? What is the first step to solve this sum? Kritagya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you are Kritagya.
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, ma'am, Toish.
Toish. Now Toish, tell me what is the first step here?
Convert one.
What is the first step here? Nee, what is the first step? What will you do here? What is the first step? The first step is to write down the table. So kilometer, hectometer,
Meter,
decameter,
decameter, meter,
बोलो बोलो. What is after meter we have?
meter, centimeter.
नहीं, after meter. King Harry died, mother didn't. According to the mnemonic, King K, Harry H, died D, mother didn't D. What you will write here? D. This is decameter. This is decimeter. Then cried.
Decimeter.
After
Sorry,
cried.
ma'am.
No issue. No issue. Tell me cry. Cry. C stands for.
C stand for
सेंटीमीटर. एम निकालना है बेटा. सी मीन्स सेंटी और ये मिडल में एम है तो आपने साथ में एम लगा देना है. सेंटी. एम स्टैंड्स फॉर मिली. एम एम.
ओके मैम.
हमने करना क्या है? किंग के, हैरी एच, डाइड डी, मदर एम, डिडंट डी, क्राई सी, मच एम. ये लिखने के बाद द क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन डिस्टेंस. तो सभी के साथ में एम एम लगा दो. के एम, एच एम, डी एम, डी एम, सी एम, एम एम. दैट्स इट. नाउ टेल मी, यू आर हियर मीटर and the question is to approach hectometer. Now tell me, movement in which direction? Hectometer. This is 1, this is 2, left hand side. So 1249 upon 100 hectometer is equal to, now 2 zeros means decimal after 2 digits. So 9